Technology has completely changed the way we publish books. One of the biggest shifts in recent years has been the rise of print on demand, which has made publishing a lot more cost effective. Instead of printing thousands of copies upfront with print on demand, books are printed as and when an order is placed. In this video, let's look at why print on demand has been a game changer for authors. Since books are printed as and when they are sold, there is no need to store large quantities of books. This reduces the cost of storage and ensures that unsold books are not piling up. If you need to fix a mistake or update a chapter, print on demand makes it a lot easier. With offset printing, changing something meant tossing out hundreds of copies that have already been printed. But with print on demand, if there is a mistake in your previous batch of copies, you can just fix the mistake before you print your new batch of copies. Print on demand is ideal for authors who need to print a few copies for events and promotions. You can print as few as just one copy at a time without it costing a fortune. Your book will never go out of stock. Because books are printed as and when an order is placed, readers can place an order for your book years after its release. Books printed through print on demand can be listed on international platforms, shipped globally, and made accessible to readers around the world. At Notion Press, we fully embrace print on demand technology for its efficiency and affordability. When someone publishes with Notion Press, their book gets listed on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and the Notion Press store. When someone places an order, the book is immediately printed and shipped to them. You don't need to worry about printing thousands of books upfront, and you don't need to worry about storage space. The best part is that you stay in control of your book's journey. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!